Good morning. As you'll remember, I am going to do oral questioning of 5 people in each class, and it was going to be done randomly. And if you'll remember, I said if you take the test late, then you automatically are in that top 5. So I have 2 people from this class who haven't taken it or took it late, and so I only need to take the top 3 when I randomize the list. So I wanted to do this in front of everyone or live. So everyone on this list is someone who's eligible, I like that word, eligible, to take it as an oral exam. The top 3 are the winners. And we have Lucia, Kayla, and Ashley. So Lucia, Kayla, and Ashley, and then Adrian and Carlton, because they took a little bit late. What I need you guys to do is sign up for appointments this week and have an opportunity to explain to me some methods on how you get your answers. Hope you all have a great week. Thanks.